Make a great choice today with the 2020 CX-30. The Mazda CX-30 packs a lot of punch in this subcompact SUV. The exceptional interior provides high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and ultimate comfort, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer, leather shift knob. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.